Alrighty, guys, so let's do a quick morning watch list. So right now we're looking at the Qs, and we can see the Qs look bullish. We have the resistance level at 486. This is our supply level. We found a couple rejections at this area, and yesterday we had a absolutely beautiful break and retest. We broke above this level, came back, found that support, and the Qs started running from there. We've seen a 1.5% day for the Qs. Right now in pre-market, we're down about 0.16%. So nothing too crazy, but I like this 486 level to be our support level for now. We want to see the Qs come to this area and hold this area for a continuation. The only area that I would say sellers are starting to have some control is if they break us lower than this area once again. And if that happens, then we're looking at the 478 level, this 478 level over here for a support zone. So we want to see buyers step up at that 478 level, and then we're really bearish if we lose that level today. So that is for the Qs. Let's take a quick look at SPY as well. So this is the charts for SPY, and the charts are pretty clear. Our supply levels are very clear. We have this all-time high level at 574, and you can see we've had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times we rejected this area. We're coming back, we're testing this area, and like we always say, we need to have a break and a retest and a hold. So SPY needs to break all-time highs, hold this level, and continue for it to make new all-time highs and for us to see that continuation. If we see bearishness with SPY and we start pulling back down, then we're looking at the 565 area for those buyers to step in again. So that is SPY. Let's look at a couple individual names. The first one is our super strong bullish Nvda. So Nvda, absolutely strong. It's been doing incredible in terms of making that staircase uptrend. So we've seen Nvda broke 122, found support, moved higher. It broke above that 127.50, found support, moved higher. And then yesterday we came to that 130, 131 supply level, broke above that, and we are moving higher. Nvda looks like it doesn't want to stop anytime soon. Our next main resistance supply level is over here around 136. What I would love to see is for Nvda to retrace all the way down to 131, and that is the area that I would like to start taking a long position if we can come back to that area and hold that area. As of right now, we're up 1.5% in pre-market already. So I don't know if it looks like we're pulling back, but if we do see a pullback, that's the area where I am interested. Next is AMD, and I don't know if it's a sympathy play or what, but AMD is kind of doing the same thing as Nvidia. We're breaking, we're finding support at the retest of the areas. We can see we did that with 165. We broke above that 168 supply level, came back, found support, and we're moving higher. And now Nvidia has 178 as its next key level. If we can see a retrace all the way down here to 168, that is where I would be interested in AMD. But like I said, it doesn't look like this thing wants to stop right now. Another thing that is interesting for AMD is we do have this gap right here. So we have this gap that is filling up on AMD. I think it's up to around $175. So that gap is just now filling for AMD. We can see this thing break, keep extending those gains all the way to that next supply level around 178. So eyes on AMD. Next is Tesla. Tesla has kind of been struggling, so a bit of a different story than the other semiconductor stocks. Tesla had this strong rejection at $250. We rejected this area multiple times. Tesla tried to break above this on the 7th, and those sellers stepped in, and we had that strong rejection back down to this 240 supply level. Our next key area is 245. We can see yesterday Tesla attempted to break it, but lost that support again. What I want to see for Tesla, if I am interested in the long side, is for us to come back and test that 240 level again. That is the only area where I would be interested in Tesla again, and then maybe all the way down here at 235. I apologize, guys. That's my newborn. He wants to talk into the mic. Alrighty, guys. So the next stock on our list is Apple. Apple, this one I'm gonna keep it short. Apple 226 is our main area of resistance right now. We can see we're struggling to break above this level. We looked at book maps yesterday and a lot of sellers are sitting there. So until Apple can break above 226.50, this thing looks a little bearish until then. So when it comes to a retrace, Apple, I want to see that 223. So I want to see that 223 retrace if I would go long. So you can see this 223 level. That is our demand zone. That is where I would expect those buyers to step in. We have a minor support level over here at around 224.50 as well, but that would be a little bit risky. Next on our list is Amazon. So Amazon, not too much to say about it. It looks like we kind of missed this move already. The 180 support level, we spoke about this area, but Amazon's already moving. So if we retrace to that area, then I'm interested. Next is Google, and Google is down about 0.5%, and this thing had a beautiful, we can see this 166 level. This was our support level that we've been speaking about. We can see we broke below this level. We had a strong break. Sellers stepped in strong, broke below this level, and we can see that has now become our area of rejection. We can see Google now in pre-market is pushing up right towards that 166 area. If we fail to break above this area, then I could see Google push right back down. So 166 is our main area to watch for Google. And I think that is everything on our watch list, guys. So safe trading, make sure you're looking at your key levels, you're taking the right risk management measures, and buying contracts that are safe as well. So I'll see you guys at 9:30 for live trading. Also, I'm going to leave links in the bottom for our private group and our Instagram page. So I'll see you there. Peace.